Tennant's T12 Compact Rider Scrubber is durable, reliable, and utilizes innovative technology, resulting in a low cost of ownership, improving your bottom line. Tennant scrubbers are the only cleaning machines that offer chemical-free ECH2O technology. Save money by reducing the need to purchase, handle, and store general-purpose cleaners. The sealed, brushless AC propel motor delivers extended component life and less maintenance, keeping the cost of operation low. Serviceability is made easier with no tool, brush, and squeegee change. Smart Release is an innovative breakaway rear squeegee system that prevents damage to the machine when the squeegee releases. Safeguard your investment from severe environments with optional front bumper and rear squeegee protection. With a low cost of ownership, Tennant's T12 delivers big productivity and a compact, maneuverable rider scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.